Alright, so let's do the weekly overview for week one. What are fairy tales? Kind of an introductory week. I have a little mini lecture available on Intro to Fairy Tales, talking more about some of the issues this week. For you, peer reviewer watching, you can skip to the end for the exit slip if you'd like. The mini lesson I crafted is in the Painting with Action Verbs folder, so this week you can just focus on plowing through the assignments if you'd like. But the first activity we got is a discussion. We're going to go ahead and watch this YouTube clip of Spirited Away. Um, and then we're going to look at this definition of fairy tales. And we're going to compare the definition to the clip and decide, based on this definition, is Spirited Away a fairy tale? And I want you to consider these things. Are fairy tales limited to the West? Because I think dragons and knights, so that's pretty Western when I think fairy tales. And is the definition from literaryterms.net inclusive of Eastern fairy tales? What do you think? Do you think Eastern fairy tales are a thing? Because some people say they're fables and not fairy tales. So consider these things as you watch the clip and read the definition from literaryterms.net. And then we're going to go into the mini lecture where I kind of break down a little bit more about fairy tales and what it means in the East versus the West, and we talk a little more Spirited Away and how it could be a fairy tale. And then at the end of the video, there is a exit slip, so we're gonna go ahead and skip to that. And within this exit slip, it's just getting us to reconsider Spirited Away in literaryterms.net. And specifically, you're going to email it to pmormon@kent.edu, and you're going to think, is my opinion of fairy tales changed after learning more about Eastern fairy tales? Is having a specific list of magical elements harmful? Do you think the list is specific to Western ideas on literaryterms.net's definition? And here's the list: elves, goblins, wizards, and even fairies. Headphones just died. But anyways, that's this week. Good luck getting through it, and can't wait to see you next week at Allegory, the moral of the story.